Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna cook stir-fry beef with Chinese broccoli. It's very simple to make, easy to eat, and it's very nutritious too. I have 400 grams of beef sirloin, 6 branches of Chinese broccoli, shallot, ginger, and garlic, oyster sauce, and sesame sauce. I'll cut the beef into very thin pieces, like this. Marinate the beef with minced ginger, shallot, and garlic. A few drops of sesame sauce. Half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Half a teaspoon of chicken powder and half a teaspoon of sugar. A little bit of pepper. Mix it. Cover it and marinate for 15 minutes. For the Chinese broccoli, I separate the leaf and the branch. I slide the branch into thin pieces, like this. And I cut the leaves. In a pot with boiling water, I add half a teaspoon of salt. And then I add this part. Stir it. And then I add the leaves. Just dip it for like a minute. And then I drain all the water. In a hot pan, add a little bit of oil. And then I add minced garlic, shallot, and ginger. Fry it a little bit, and then I add the beef. Keep it at high heat. And fry it until the beef is half cooked and half raw. When it's like this, I take it out. In the same pan, add a little bit of oil and some garlic slices. Fry it a little bit, and then I'll add the vegetable. Add a teaspoon of oyster sauce. And then I mix it. Now I add the beef. Mix it, and then we're done. Smell really good. Let's dig in.